Hey James, how was your day?
Hey Ellie, my day was busy, but good. How about yours?
Pretty good. I tried cooking new recipe.
Recipe. A set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of the ingredients required. Example. Ellie followed a new recipe to make homemade pizza.
Hey James, how was your day?
Did Ellie ask James about his laptop? No, she didn't. She didn't ask James about his laptop. What did Ellie ask James about? She asked James how his day was.
Hey Ellie, my day was busy, but good.
Was James's day busy? Yes, it was. James's day was busy.
How about yours?
Pretty good. I tried cooking new recipe today.
Did Ellie cook something new today? Yes, she did. She tried cooking a new recipe today.
Really, what did you make?
I made homemade pasta. It turns out it's easier than I thought.
Turns out. A phrase used to indicate that something is discovered or becomes known unexpectedly. Example. Turns out making pasta was easier than Ellie thought.
Really, what did you make?
I made homemade pasta.
Did she make burger? No, she didn't. She made a pasta. What did Ellie made? She made a pasta.
It turns out it's easier than I thought.
Did Ellie find making pasta difficult? No, she didn't. She found it easy to make.
That's awesome. How did it taste?
It was delicious. I added a lot of veggies and cheese.
Sounds yummy. I love pasta, it tastes so good. I had pasta last week. Do you have any leftovers?
Leftover. Food remaining after a meal that can be eaten later. Example. This is a leftover cake we have. This is the leftover cake we all were talking about.